Hello everybody, welcome to Fun by Design. What we do on this channel is we review products and we take a look at some really fun products that are great. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, it'd be great if you would subscribe because Fun by Design needs subscribers. Now today's video is all about a multi-craft tool that I've ordered, so I'm going to unbox it now and we'll take a look and we'll see what it's like. Plenty of bubble wrap. Right, let's get rid of the packaging. And that is what I've ordered. Look at that. Now there's lots of bits and pieces in there. Now what I want it for is I want it to do some little intricate work, because I usually use a cordless drill, and you know, you put attachments in the end, but because of the shape of a cordless drill, sometimes it's very difficult to do sort of detailed work. So I thought this would be a really fun product to do just that. So let's take a better look at it and see what it's all about. Let's put you down on the product a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Now this product is the Vosh 130 watt craft tool, and there's 162 pieces in this set. 162 pieces. Awesome. So let's open it up and we'll have a look. Ooh, you can't quite see me properly. That's about right. That's spot on. Right, let's have a look. Comes in a nice case, which is good. Look at that. Believe it or not, I mean, I'm over in the UK and this was less than £25 at current prices. Less than £25. Can you believe it? 162 pieces? Wicked. Right, let's have a look what it's all about. It's well packaged, isn't it? Okay, we'll take the little tab off the lead and let's see what it's all about. Now the reason I went for this one is simply because, take the thing off the plug. If you can see there, it's got a variable speed. Now some of the work that I do, I don't want it to spin too fast. So to have that control of slowing the speed down or speeding the speed up, in fact it goes from 8,000 revolutions per minute up to 30,000 revolutions per minute. So that will give me plenty of sort of range to be able to use something properly, because like with a cordless drill you can be doing some craft work or something like that and you tend to burn things because it's going too fast. So the controllability to be able to slow the bits down is quite important. So that's why I thought this is going to be really cool. Right, let's find a plug socket and plug it in. Let's see what it does. Here's one I prepared earlier. Obviously the switch was in the on position. Right, so let's put it on, that's minimum, so if you can hear that, and then I'll turn it up. That is really good. That is really good. Now as you can see, there's a chuck on the end there and a little button there. Now what happens with that is, if you see that there, that's a little tool with a screw thread on it. And let me put a little bit on the end of there and I'll show you how the chuck works. Then obviously you just screw the little pad that you want to use onto the end of it. and then place it into the chuck. Now there's a little button on there which holds the chuck in place so that you can, that's it, so you can tighten it in. That's it. Yay! That's so cool. You have to excuse me, I've got a gap, if you notice I've got a gap in my teeth. I had a tooth out the other day, and unfortunately they tell me it's got to heal for 3 months before they can put the new bit back in. Which is a bit annoying, especially if I'm making YouTube videos. Anyway, yeah, so look at that. And then if I want to polish something really fast, woohoo, let's go! Yeah, that's wicked. So anyway, so then all you do is press the button to lock the chuck again, and then you can undo the chuck to get your little bit out. And then there's all sorts of different things, little wire brushes, and what else have we got in here? Little grinding wheels, which go onto these other little attachments. Small drills, little grinding stones, that little pointy things, which are great for sort of getting into little intricate parts of some craft work. There is just so much stuff in this kit, it's just awesome. Yeah, so that's basically what this video is about. Little mini, it's called a 162 piece mini drill and bit set, and it's great. I'm well into that. I'm so impressed by the speed control. Whoa, man! Awesome. So that's going to really benefit me in the workshop. Now this is the Vosh 130 watt craft tool, and I will leave a link to it in the description below if you want one to make your workshop awesome. Great fun product. Yeah, that's going to be brilliant. And then obviously you can pack it all the way back in its case, and it keeps it all nice and tidy. So when you want to use it, it's all there, ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the Vosh 130 watt craft tool. I'm impressed with it, and for the money, whew, bargain! Right, we will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you've got any comments, leave them below, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.